Today I have special guests who are going to cook a very special recipe for you. And before we start, please like and subscribe the video. Now take it away, Mom.
Thank you, Jordie. We're going to start by pulling the shell and the legs off of the shrimp.
This is the most tedious part because it takes a lot of time to pull the legs off and you have so many shrimp to do. So we're gonna actually leave the tail on the top of the shrimp, but we're gonna take the rest of the shell off and the legs.
Now add your salt, then your pepper.
Do we need anything else, Mom?
And finally, my special seasoning, the Old Bay seasoning, gives it that extra kick. Now toss your shrimp vigorously to make sure you mix your seasonings. Now time to cut your lobster tails. Grab a sharp knife. Be careful not to cut yourself. Cut away from the body.
Yeah, you're totally right, Mom. These shells on the lobster tail are really hard, so everybody needs to be really careful.
Now flip your lobsters over, making sure that you split them down the center. Now let's repeat the process for the second lobster as well, splitting them and pulling them apart.
Wow, Mom, the lobsters are really starting to take shape now. Yay, you did it, Mom. They look great. So now, start pulling off the legs of the lobster as much as you can.
Use the kitchen scissors to cut off the legs or any excess. It just makes it easier and more precise.
There's so many legs on the lobster, so make sure you double check that you clean the lobster. Remember, always be safe when preparing food. That includes washing hands. Don't mix cooked food and raw foods together. So, Mom, I think it's time to toss the shrimp into the pan and get them ready to go outside.
It's grill time. Place them nicely on your heated grill. Okay.
Now in they go. Okay, it's time to check the food. Looks great. Let's stir them. Make sure they're browny on each side. While that's cooking, we're gonna add butter to a small pan and we're gonna melt it. And then you're gonna add your salt and pepper. Now you're gonna stir it and mix it all together. Now let's head back to the grill. Those look almost ready, Mom.
Brush the food with melted butter and let it cook. Give it about 5 minutes on each side. Use your butter generously.
Alright, let's close it for one last time. I want to give a special shout out for my special guests, Mom and Dad, for helping out.